LibreWolf is a community-driven fork of Firefox that comes hardened for privacy out of the box. It disables telemetry, removes CRM, disables data collection features like Pocket, includes uBlock origin, fingerprinting protections, strict cookie policies, and in many builds, total cookie protection. Waterfox also stems from Firefox. It aims for speed, compatibility, and a balance between privacy and functionality. It supports both modern and some legacy extensions, provides version for Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and Android, and tries to preserve features users liked from older Firefox versions. If we talk about the pros and trade-offs, LibreWolf's privacy is stronger by default. It blocks tracking, scripts, telemetry, fingerprinting without user having to tweak settings. But those very protections sometimes break site compatibility or convenience features. Waterfox offers more flexibility. Users can continue using some add-ons, have more familiar UI, and retain more mainstream site compatibility. But some updates are slower. Privacy purists sometimes worry about historical ownership or lesser oversight. If you talk about user feedback on Reddit, people say LibreWolf just works for basic browsing with strong privacy and fewer annoyances, though occasional bugs or missing features from Firefox show up. For Waterfox, some users appreciate the look or legacy support and performance on older hardware. Others critique its pace of updates and concerns about its privacy promises being diluted in past ownership changes. If privacy with minimal configuration is your priority, LibreWolf often wins. If you want more compatibility, ability to use legacy or different extensions, or a more user-friendly version of Firefox with some privacy, Waterfox could be a better fit.